Hi, my name is Emily, and today we will be copying and bisecting line segments, and then after we will be copying and bisecting angles. So let's get started. So first, we're going to copy the angle. So first what we're going to do is we're going to use a regular pencil, although I'll use a colored one because where'd that go? I don't know where that went. I'll just use another one because it's kind of a regular pencil kind of reflects a little bit. Try to move my hand out of the way. So we have a point. So now we have these two. We have this line and this point. So, well, this is supposed to say high, but it kind of looks like a sideways H, so oops. Oh well. So this is the image of H, the point H. So now, what we're going to do is, I have a fancy, this might take a while because I have like a fancy one with a gear, because the most annoying thing is when it readjusts itself in the middle of when you're drawing, so. Let's see, how close am I? Probably should have made these dots a little smaller, and the line a little bit shorter, but oh well. Alright, so now the line, here I'll just do this. So now you can see that the length of the compass is the same, like the length of the opening of the compass is the same length as the line. So now, we put the pointy end on the image of H and make an arc like this. So now, no matter where I put the next point, so I could put the point here, and I could put the point here, oops, why does that always happen? I could put the point way over here, and no matter what, this would be the same image. Use a different color for the line. I don't know why, just because. Makes it more interesting. So there we go. So no matter what, these lines are all congruent. These are all congruent to this line. I'll turn this a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay. Because this arc is created, and this is the same length as this. So no matter what, no matter where we place it, as long as this is on this point, no matter where on this line, so there could be a whole bunch of dots on this line, and you could make lines. Of course, we're not going to do that because that would take a long time, but you could make a whole bunch of lines, and they would all be congruent to this line, no matter what angle you have them at. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is bisect the line segment. I probably shouldn't have written congruent on there because now I don't have room. Alright, let's see if I can sort of erase this a little teeny bit, just so enough that I can still see what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. So let's see. So basically, I'm just gonna make this a little smaller. Oops. Whoa, it has reached almost the end of this. Good thing I drew the line. Ooh, that was a nice noise. If you can't tell, it's like my first time ever doing like a talking video, so I like commentate everything I do. Oh, I should probably make that a little bit bigger because I want this to be a little bit bigger than half the size of the line. Like, I mean, half of the line. It's just because, well, like, if you want them to intersect, they have to be larger than half, or they have to be further than halfway so that they go across each other. I noticed that. So then, what we're going to do is, so see how it's like a little bit bigger than what I would think would be halfway. Probably about like 3/4 or something. But, so what we're going to do is this. Really big arc. I should have made a smaller line. And then we're going to do, well, I probably should do this on the other side. And oops, stop sliding. Uh-oh. I ran out of paper. Alright, then we're going to do that on the other side. Oh, just barely. Probably should have thought that through a little bit more. Oh, upside down. Alright, so now, this has probably been crooked like the whole time. And, well, first I gotta draw the points. So, draw points where these lines intersect. Now, what am I gonna call it? Oh, I should probably, these are I something. I don't know. Just imagine these are all I, but just in different locations. So then what we have is, what should we name these? Trying to think of something funny I can name it. I don't know, I can't really think of anything. I was gonna say math, but it's only 2 points. Oh well, whatever. I'll think of something after. Okay, so, and then you just connect these. And now you have, this can also be called the perpendicular bisector because these angles, I'll grab another color here, these are all 90 degrees. I can actually prove that these are all 90 because if this one is 90, then this one is 90 because vertical angles, and then this one because supplementary angles. I had to remember which one it was. So, yeah. I need to name them. Can I name them? It's like bugging me now. Okay, I thought of what I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna name it Pi. Oh wait, there's 2 I's now. I just realized this. Oops. I don't know. There's 2 I's now. Whoops. Oh well, you're not really supposed to do that, but okay, for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna try and rename it. Oh well. Okay, so we have done both of those things. So now we're gonna move on. So now we have copy an angle, and then bisect it. So first, what we're gonna do is we're going to make this a lot smaller first, of course, because I didn't think these proportions through, because I've never done that. So first we're going to make, well, I actually probably should make that a little bit smaller, even smaller than that, because otherwise we're going to have really big arcs. So probably about that size is probably good. And so we have this. So I'll move my arm out of the way a little bit. So we're going to first, well, I guess first we can I can just show you like what I'm going to do. So then we're going to have another point, and I'm going to think this through. Well, I guess it won't matter this time, but so we have a point here, and then we have a whole arc. Probably should have drawn a line first, but it doesn't really matter what order. So I'm actually going to do it like this, just to prove that they don't have to be completely facing the same way. So now we have this arc, and these arcs, this part is the same length. Now we're going to measure across here, so we'll make this a little smaller. Oops, wrong way. I just forgot to label it. So there's a little bit more. I think that's about right. So now, I'm going to do, oops, I just realized what I did. Oh, well, no, I'm just thinking of the wrong thing. I just realized that. And now I can't remember. Oh, wait. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Couldn't remember what I was doing. Oops. Ack! I hate when that happens. Paper slides. and sometimes it's kind of hard. So now, because this length here, and this length here, because I measured it like this, these are the same length. So now these should be the same, and now all you have to do is, so this will be a point over here too. And to take that, I'll just do this. Doesn't really matter if they're the same length or not. We're just thinking about the angle here. So then these are our points. And so just like make a line through these. A little bit fast. Well, it's okay. So if you didn't notice, it says art. I'm an art nerd. I love art. So yeah, I don't actually know what angle this is because I didn't really measure it. I kind of just made an angle. But if you want to figure it out, you can do that. So now we're going to bisect the angle. So let's see if I can actually remeasure this, because that would make everything a lot easier. Wait, what? It is the same size. Okay then, that's weird. Why did I have to change it last time? Okay then, whatever. Alright, that's weird. So, this, well, I guess it wouldn't really matter, but, well, I guess, I don't even know why I bothered. Okay. I just realized that it didn't really matter, because I had already drawn this, so I'm actually kind of glad that I drew this beforehand, because that just makes everything a little easier. So first, you just want to do what I did before earlier, and draw across here, and draw an arc across there, and then you can change the size, and then you can just do this, put the point on one side, and then just draw an arc, and then put the point on the other side. And you want to widen the compass larger than, well, I guess I'm not sure if it matters. I haven't tried. And then you just do it on both sides, and as you can see, this looks like the middle. So, obviously, it's probably, you can expect what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put a point here, and we're going to take the straight edge, aka ruler. I don't know why people don't just call it a ruler. I guess you could just use anything as a straight edge, and it's not really a ruler, but this is a ruler, so. I have a line. We have the bisector. So if this was 50, each of these sides would be 25. So let's just say, I don't think this is 50. Well, I'm not really sure, but say this whole angle is 50. Oops, 50. Stop breaking. 50 degrees. So then each of these would be 25. Those would each be 25 degrees. That was a really bad zero. So, good enough. And that would be 50. I don't really know how big it is, but you get my point. So yeah, that concludes our video. So thanks for watching.